Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a long time. I've just been so busy with everything else like work and stuff, but I really wanted to post a YouTube video. I had this idea of just something different. I think I've seen it on someone's channel a long time ago, but if I remember, I will put her name or his name, I'm sure it was a her, I'll put her name down below so you can obviously, I can credit that. But this was just an idea I've seen floating about, and I want to do an eyeshadow palette for every single occasion. So Olivia's there watching me. So for Christmas, New Year's Eve, birthday, and I just thought, why not? It's fun. I honestly don't know what else to film right now. I'm filming a ton of like Instagram content at the moment and I'm really loving it. So first palette is birthday palette. So when it comes to my birthday or anyone's birthday, when it comes to a birthday, you want to look nice, but you want a little bit of glam. And this you may not agree with this palette, but because it's the birthday palette by I Heart Revolution, I had to include it. I feel like this is the one I wore for my birthday, and I feel like this palette is just absolutely stunning. The pastels of it are so pretty. I mean, this yellow has my heart. I mean, look at that. Look at that yellow. It's gorgeous. And then this purple and the lilac. Now they're very, very pale colours, like very, very pastel vibes. But they're just so nice and they swatch so lovely as well. So that is the palette that I would choose for my birthday. You know I love Makeup Revolution. If you're new to my channel, I'm a bit of an obsessed freak with Revolution. I do love their products. They're just so affordable and so brilliant. I've got them on my eyes right now and I just love it. So I'll put the price up of this one. I'll link all these palettes down below for you guys, but just to be aware, there is a lot of Revolution palettes in this video. So when it comes to summer and spring, which is something I'm so excited for, I like to wear certain colours on my eyes. I like to wear sort of yellows and oranges and just very, very summery colours. And the palette I've chosen for that is the I Heart Revolution Lemon Drizzle palette. So this palette is just stunning as well. It's just so summery and pretty. The colour Fluffy is my favourite, this yellow here. It's gorgeous. You've got some lovely like citrus, that one there, that reddy orange. You've got like an orange colour, browns, golds, purples. It's such a gorgeous palette and the quality again is amazing. So that would be my summer palette. Spring, which is like coming, well, are we in spring? So we go to sort of spring as well as summer, but for my spring palette, I have really been loving greens on my eyes lately. I've been wearing it a lot and I absolutely love it. So the palette I've chosen for spring is the Tasty Avocado palette from I Heart Revolution once again. And these colours are just something else. They are just gorgeous. They are so beautiful. The blues, the greens, the browns, the yellowy colour up here, the lime, sorry, it's just absolutely stunning. Now my favourite colour is Smoothie, which is this green colour here. Bite, I love this colour, and I also love Smash as well. I love them all, like I love them all, but they're like my favourites. Again, they swatch gorgeous and they are so buttery and creamy. You can see the palette, the pastel palette. What are you doing, darling? You can see the pastel palette is a little bit more pale because they're pastels, but these are just like boom, they're so pretty. So this palette is my spring palette. If we wanted to do like a Valentine's Day or a girls' night out, anything girly, I would go for this palette, which is what I've got on my eyes right now. I didn't actually love this when I first tried it out. I wasn't keen, but now I really do love it because I think I've worked out what colours to use to kind of like, I always used to just do one colour or two colours, but I've really been mixing colours in with each other and they just look very nice. Like this eye look I've got on now is very glamorous and pretty and I do love it. So the palette I've chosen is the Sour Cherry palette, which comes in a gift set called the Cherry Revolution, but I don't know if you can buy this separately. But you can see the colours are just stunning. They're just gorgeous. So if you was having a Valentine's Day, you would probably want to like have these pinks here, or a girls' night, you'd want the purples, possibly the pink and the silvery colour. But this gold, is it silver or gold? This gold silver colour is gorgeous. I have this on my eyes right now. I actually have the purple, the pink and the gold. I have them 3 colours on my eyes right now, and they're just stunning. They're just so pretty. So if we are gonna go to work, if we want to go to work and we're in the office, or you just want like an everyday palette, this is my everyday palette. This would be my work office palette. So this is the W7 Nudification palette, and it is just very much like the Too Faced nude palette. It's just so pretty. Look at them colours. So I will swatch the gold, the white and the rose gold for you. So you can see that they're not, crazy pigmented, but you can see there that they're very pretty and very kind of nudie colours, but that pinky rose gold's gorgeous. And lastly, you guys, is New Year's Eve and Christmas. So I was actually really struggling to find a palette for that kind of occasion, because I don't own many reds and greens. I don't own many Christmassy New Year's Eve palettes. So what I was thinking was the Jolie Beauty Bomb.com palette. This was sent to me a while ago, and I've honestly been really obsessed with it. It is very, very glittery. It's mostly, well, they're all pressed glitters. So what I was thinking was this red here, these greens, this limey colour, the golds, you know. So if you could do like any sort of transition shade, and then you added some of these glitters, then you've got a Christmas palette basically. So if I show you the red, they are stunning. I'll show you the green and we'll show you the gold. So these would be sort of Christmassy colours here. So you can see there that they're very, very glittery, very, very Christmassy, and yeah, that would definitely be my Christmassy palette and New Year's Eve palette. So probably for New Year's Eve, I would probably go with blue, because I love blue. Blue is like one of my favourite colours to have on my eyes. And I was thinking this royal blue up here, this blue here, the purples, the pinks, just literally there's so many in here. You've got a good amount of colours in this palette. So yeah, I hope you guys, I'm gonna go and wash my hands now. I hope you guys enjoyed this palette collection. Let me know down below what your choices would be for you for Christmas and birthdays and things. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in probably Sunday's video, which will be a vlog. Bye.